don't know how long we're going to get out of this webcam thing, but here is the micro switch that is huge. It's just running on a timber cam, and this is the actual motor to run the compressor. Just turn this compressor off. Shut up. There, so what we've got is this micro switch is activating the solenoid, which is run off a battery down there. Now, I think we'd be able to keep the battery charged because we're running the generator. But this is a pneumatic solenoid valve, got off the internet for all of $17. It's better than trying to do it with a mechanical valve system. Yeah. Now, what I've got here, that's the generator from the old system. This actually runs that extremely easily. Made the other 4-stroke motor look like it was working, but I'm not going to use that. And here is the other half of the compressor. This compressor died because it was run for a week without oil in it. Compliments of somebody who borrowed it. But I'm going to use this for the boiler, and I'm going to put it over on this slab of pavers here and make a brick box and a fire stack and all of that sort of thing. And I'm going to have that filled with water, boiling away, running that. And this, if we can see what pressure it's running on, at the moment it shows bugger all on the gauge, you know. So we just turn the compressor on again because I'm just about finished here. But that's the setup, simple as. And I'm going to just change the armature in this. Take this steel coil off. This is a nice steel coil here. Take this off, drill holes in the armature and cut a slot to put magnets in, and then close it all back up again. Because it's got magnets on the motor, it'll activate these coils and produce power. And we'll see how we go from there. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I didn't hurt my finger today. No, good finger. The other finger's got a hole in it. But yeah, that's alright.